Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build SpongeBob bricks. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need yellow craft foam sheets, some brown felt, and a bit of red paint. Next, carefully cut your yellow foam into rectangular brick shapes, aiming for pieces approximately 2 inches by 4 inches. Remember to prepare a clean and well-ventilated workspace before you begin, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. This initial setup is crucial for a successful project. Now that your bricks are cut, it's time to add that iconic SpongeBob texture. Grab a small sponge and lightly dab brown paint onto each foam brick, creating an organic, porous look. This step truly brings your bricks to life. Be sure to let the paint dry completely for about 15 minutes before moving on. If you prefer a deeper, more pronounced texture, feel free to apply a second light layer after the first is dried. With your bricks textured, let's add some fun SpongeBob details. Carefully cut small, irregular brown felt circles. These will represent the distinctive eyes or pores of a pineapple. Now, using craft glue, attach these felt circles onto your textured bricks in a random, playful pattern. Once the details are in place, begin arranging and gluing your finished bricks together to form a small, SpongeBob-inspired wall or structure. To ensure your SpongeBob brick creation lasts, it's time for the final touches. Apply a clear sealant spray evenly over your entire structure. This will protect the colors and texture. Make sure to do this in a well-ventilated area and allow the sealant to dry for at least 30 minutes. Once completely dry, your unique SpongeBob-inspired brick creation is ready to be proudly displayed in your room for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.